to Golden News. U.S. European Command released footage of the Tuesday encounter between a U.S. surveillance drone and the Russian fighter jets as it played out over the Black Sea. The newly declassified video depicts critical moments in the mid-air encounter, which the Pentagon said lasted between 30 and 40 minutes. The video shows the camera of the MQ-9 Reaper drone pointed backward toward its tail and the drone's propeller, which is mounted on the rear, spinning. Then, a Russian Sukhoi Su-27 fighter jet is shown approaching. As it draws closer, the Russian fighter jet dumps fuel as it intercepts the U.S. drone. In another portion of the footage, the Russian jet makes another pass. As it approaches, it again dumps fuel. The video from the drone is then disrupted as the Russian fighter jet collides with the MQ-9 Reaper, damaging the propeller and ultimately forcing the U.S. to bring down the drone in the Black Sea. Russia has denied that a collision occurred. When the camera comes back online in the footage, the view is again pointed backward, and the propeller is shown damaged from the collision. With the propeller damaged, the drone operators effectively flew the aircraft as a glider as it descended over the Black Sea, bringing it down in international waters southwest of Crimea. On its way down, 2 U.S. officials told CNN the operators remotely wiped the drone's sensitive software, mitigating the risk of secret materials falling into enemy hands before it crashed into the water. The downing of the drone marked the first time Russian and U.S. military aircraft have come into direct physical contact since Moscow launched its invasion of Ukraine.